think I can make it all the way across?
You might be able to.
We're doing duck foot. Let's do duck foot. Oh, good one.
Almost.
So we want to kind of explain a little bit about why we're doing this, why we started vlogging, started making YouTube videos. About a year ago, we started a gaming channel on Twitch and also YouTube called Killtime Gaming.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Killtime Gaming. We liked it a lot, liked doing it, but it was just one of those things that it wasn't, like, gaming isn't like one of our passions. We like more a creative element to things, and I don't know. We really we thought of it as something more of it just wasn't what we really wanted. It wasn't the passion of ours. We wanted to be able to kind of make funny videos, make interesting videos, make videos where we can kind of show off some of our other things that we like to do.
Because, like, our passions aren't really, like, and it was just surrounded with gaming when it was on Twitch.
Mm-hmm.
We wanted to be able to share our other passions for other things that we enjoy doing.
Yep.
It was also very hard because it seemed like every time we would turn on the stream for Twitch, it felt very forced.
Yeah.
Where in this environment, we don't feel as forced. We feel like we can be more ourselves.
Although there's definitely fun to be had with live events and doing something live. It's also very important to kind of have something you can sit down and kind of create over time and then kind of be proud of,
Yeah. There's a lot of time and work go into these little videos that we make for you guys.
Exactly. A whole week's worth of work goes into a video, a 20-minute video. Yeah.
Just to make 20 minutes.
Yep. And we know that we have so much more to offer to you guys, so what we wanted to do was do this thing on YouTube where we can show off, my music side, Katie's music side, the band I'm in. There's a lot of things,
No, I'm just kidding.
I like to cook, so the back burner was one of the things that originally was going to start off as something that we were cooking, we go into restaurants, something fun like that. It's a lot more fun than I had on Twitch, definitely.
Not that I didn't have fun, it wasn't the right environment for me.
Again, it felt like it was starting to become a job, and we wanted to not have that. Well, what better way to kind of show off, your different creative ways than on YouTube, which is just this platform to be able to show something that you can be proud of, rather than just jumping on a stream and kind of half-assing it the whole time.
I felt like we did have a lot of fun, and we met a lot of great people doing the Twitch thing.
Oh my God, we met amazing people, yeah.
Amazing people that
shout out
probably
to
lifelong friends.
all of Deathmatch Media Group.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Like, Discord go join that Discord.
I don't care if you're not into gaming, just go join it. A couple people were designers, a couple people made jewelry, but again, it's just the pressure of having to put a face on every single time.
Right.
We got on stream just wasn't.
I mean, we did it what, twice a week? For a
No,
good
it was
while.
like 3 times a week.
Yeah, that's right. We burned ourselves out pretty quickly doing 3 times a week. The only difference between this and that is that I have to put pants on 3 times a week, So.
I mean, you had to put pants on there.
That's what I mean. I don't have to put pants on anymore. I could be pantsless while I'm editing videos.
Yes.
But we wanted to kind of just make something for you guys, just to kind of explain a little bit about ourselves. I'll probably add to this a little bit more. I'm going to show off the camera here.
Sorry, I'm making sure it doesn't fall because it's a $900 camera.
So what we're basically using this is going to be the new kind of camera that we're going to be shooting more of our kind of cooking stuff on, and the GoPro is going to be used for more vlogging stuff. We may use this for more tripod stuff and just kind of do a combination of the two. So what we're doing today is kind of trying out, the camera and seeing what it can do. It's a D7100 Nikon. Katie's a photographer. Don't know if I've explained that yet. But
I like photos.
She does photography.
I like photos lots.
So if we can make good quality content for you guys without it breaking the bank for us, so we gotta save money. We have a baby on the way.
Yes.
That's another reason as well we wanted to do this too, is kind of, and this is like a storytelling for Jesse, he can go back and watch these videos and kind of see what his childhood was like. It's like home movies for himself, basically. And I feel like that's not a thing that you get to have anymore, where you had like these VHSs where you can just kind of throw one in and be like, oh, remember when we had Christmas that year, you know?
We both grew up in a generation where that was a huge thing, you know, having like family videos, like your dad having the video camera all the time was like, it was normal.
And I videotaped a lot in college. I had like a flip video camera with like 720p, and I would basically videotape all my friends.
They hated it.
They hated it so much. They'd be like, oh my God, Tony, put the camera away. But, you know, I made a fun college video at the end of the year, and everybody laughed at it and had a great time, and now I watch it every once in a while just to remind myself of, I don't know, the times I had with those people, so.
Do you think that was like that was the moment that you realized that you wanted to do like videography stuff?
No.
That wasn't?
No, I don't think so. I think that was more...
Bye!
Avoid the puddle.
Puddle!
I think I just did that because, I don't know, well, okay, so I did make skits and stuff, and I think I wanted to make skits. I knew I've always wanted to make skits.
Right. You wanted to do funny stuff.
Yeah, like funny comedy things. You can go and find that stuff. Dudes in My Major was the comedy group.
There you go. Switching! Whoa!
I'm swinging this thing around really.
I have to hold my stuff.
Let me hold it for you.
No.
I'll hold it for you. I'm a good husband.
Thank you. Back to what we were saying.
Yeah, no, and I feel like I've always thought of myself as a musician first.
Right.
I was always going to school for music recording. Mm-hmm. That was always my number one thing. I wanted to have a recording studio. And then you kind of realize that it isn't really the job you want to do. I don't know, for me anyway.
That's why, you know, I kind of stopped doing photography for a little while. It makes you like feel, it like kind of makes you feel unappreciated.
With videography and YouTube and all that, it's a little bit different for me. It feels like it's more, this is for me and my family.
Absolutely.
And my friends, and I have a lot of people I can collaborate with too.
Absolutely.
You know, Jailroad Productions, Comic Gaming. So I guess what we want to basically say is that this is something that is more of a passion project for us. If you guys like it, cool. If you don't like it, I mean, that's okay. But
it's fine. It's again, we're very happy for the people who are enjoying our videos so far, and
I also want to say as well that I've never really done any video editing. I get in college, I didn't do any video classes, videography, cinematography, anything like that. I'm learning as I go. So is Katie.
Absolutely, and it's been a great experience again so far. It's
fun to learn about this stuff and kind of just come up with ideas. I always think of myself as an idea guy. Come up with a bunch of ideas and then I've never really acted on them. It's gonna change now.
I'm very excited to see what we can do with this channel, and we're happy that you guys are coming along with us.
So yeah.
I'm getting tired.
I'll take it back now. I'll give that to you. Got it? Yeah.
By the way, it's absolutely beautiful outside right now. It's a little chilly, but like the view that we have right now.
Yeah. You're also noticing as well, this is going to be in 4K 30, which is a little bit different than what we've been shooting all the rest of the videos in. So this is going to be the first one that we're shooting in 4K 30, posting. So let us know what you think of it. I'm just going to try and see what we like, because again, we're learning as we go. I can only imagine where we're kind of going from there, you know. So.
And we're just going to enjoy life the best that we can.
Putting life on the simmer is kind of our slogan. So what that means basically is putting your everyday life on the simmer to kind of create something special every day for yourself. My nose is running so much.
It's okay.
I'm not crying.
Well,
you're crying.
He's crying.
No, it's windy and cold. I don't know why I didn't grab my jacket. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and this is kind of an introduction video to the channel. So if you haven't already, please subscribe if you like the content. Hit that like button. Leave a comment on what you want us to do, and you know, if you want to collaborate, leave us a comment, or you can message us.
We would love to.
We'll work together, and
it's an honor. And
we just want to have a good time, have fun. So we'll see you guys on the next trip.
Bye.
Bye. Say that. Lil Wendy is totally your rap name.
It's good to be a gangster.